Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. And for today, we are going to be doing a mask video, and not just any mask, this guy right here. This is the GlamGlow Glitter Mask. I'm really excited, but also a little nervous, because there physically actually is glitter in here, so I don't know. If you guys want to know more about this mask, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. So I'm starting off this video with literally nothing on my face. Let's pull back this hair just so obviously I don't get any glitter or mask particles in my hair. Do you guys like my headband? It's so cute. So this is the GlamGlow Glitter Gravity Firming Treatment mask. I do have a sample size of this. I actually have it up on my phone because I do want to read a little bit about it before I apply it. This mask is great for all skin types, so that's good. Retails for, I believe, what does it say, $59, and it is also limited edition and exclusive to Sephora, which is pretty cool. And this smells exactly like the regular firming mask. If you guys are familiar with that one, it's the one in the purple jar, and it smells really good. It just reminds me of like margaritas in like Hawaii. So a little about this mask. It has holographic sparkle treatment, delivers mega targeted ingredients, licorice, marshmallow that helps contour the face, firming, blah blah blah, visibly firming, tightening, lifting, toning, so kind of the best of everything. It even says also on the description on Sephora.com on my phone, will the glitter clog your pores? No. So that is a good thing. I'm a little scared though because sometimes glitter particles are not necessarily round, so I'm just worried that it's going to do damage, but I don't know, so we'll see. So this is basically what my little sample jar looks like, and we're gonna open it up. I'm so excited, and it is black. I am really nervous, and I don't know if you guys could see, there's like actual like stars in there. I don't know. It does say to shake it, to stir it, but I don't have anything to stir it with, so I'm just gonna kind of shake it up a little bit. Have you guys tried this mask? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts if you guys have tried this. And I am going to be using a little e.l.f. tool. I really love this little tool to apply any type of like clay mask or whatever mask I have. It's like a silicone rubber little applicator with a little bristle to get like in the nose area. So this thing from e.l.f. is really cool. Yeah, this is really like goopy. I'm like nervous. Oh jeez. And I have nothing on my skin whatsoever. I have no moisturizer on, no nothing. So we'll see. Oh Jesus, I feel like a 12-year-old right now with all this glitter. I have to say, it is very easy to spread out. I really thought that the consistency of it would have been tough to spread, but it's surprisingly not that hard. I really don't see the benefits of actual physical glitter. I mean, I love glitter, don't get me wrong, but like, there's no use, there's no reason to have it in a mask. I mean, GlamGlow, I love you guys, but I don't know. Well, I have to say, it is very cooling. I really love the way it feels. I definitely feel it would be perfect more in the summer months when it's like super humid and hot out. So I really love the way how it feels. I am a little worried. I think I might do more in like this region, only because again, since this is a peel off mask, I do want to make sure I do a nice layer of it. But I don't know, in my mind, I just don't see the benefits of having the actual like glitter particles. Like I get the actual like formula, the black formula with the licorice and the marshmallow and all those different complexes. I get that and I like that in a mask, but the actual glitter chunks, I don't know. So you're supposed to leave this on for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. I don't think I'm going to leave this on for the full 30, probably most likely for 10 to 20, being that I do have work and I do need to film more videos. So again, I really love the way it feels. I like how it feels very cooling. It's not dry, obviously, just yet, so it is still very easy to talk with. But yeah, I'm gonna take some thumbnails for this video, and I'm just gonna chillax. Thank God my boyfriend is not home because he hates glitter. So I will see you guys in about 20 or so minutes. Alrighty, and we are back. So I do have to say that for the past 20 minutes, I am happy to report that the mask has stayed rather very cooling. So I'm happy to say that it doesn't like go away or anything like that. It still feels really cool, and I definitely feel it's ready. So I'm touching it now and no transferring. So I really do appreciate, even though this is a firming mask, it doesn't feel insanely too tight and uncomfortable. So that's another thing that I appreciate as well. So can we just like appreciate though like how it looks? Like this is so cool. Can I get a little piece? There we go. Yes, so right there. There we go. Oh, that feels so satisfying. So it doesn't hurt. Not uncomfortable whatsoever. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh, that feels really nice. Yeah, not uncomfortable whatsoever. And they do say whatever remnants are on the left of the face, you could just rinse that off. No big deal. Oh, that feels so good. Not painful. I really appreciate how it's not painful. Feels really, really good. Oh, I always got like freaked out. Like this is just, bleh. It's like a snake. I'm shedding my skin. Oh, really weird. Okay, let's do the nose. If I can get a good little area. Okay, here we go. Nose came off very nice. Yeah, you can't really see like the black Boscia mask. You can definitely kind of see it because of how it's black, and you could see all of your, you know, pores and stuff like that. But this mask you really can't because of the actual glitter. Ah, that felt good. So this is basically what's left over. I'm gonna rinse this off and I'll be right back. So I just got done rinsing off the rest of the mask, and I do have to say I do appreciate that the residue that was left over on my skin was very, very easy to rinse off. My face feels on the tighter, cooling side, but in a good way. It feels really nice though. I really do like the way my skin feels right now. So I did just do my moisturizers. If you guys are curious, I did apply my Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum from Fresh. Love this to death. And then I have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Cream as my eye cream. And then for my moisturizer, I applied my Confidence in a Cream from IT Cosmetics. And my face feels really good, you guys. I'm happy to report that I am not noticing a lot of irritation. I was really very much afraid the actual glitter chunks was going to make my skin very super red. I do notice maybe an ever so slight redness, but I know my skin, I know that will go away. I do have to say I'm not sure how this will work if your skin runs very sensitive, so I would honestly skip that and maybe do another mask. I really don't do masks on my channel, but I do a lot of them on Snapchat. So if you guys want to see other masks of mine in the future, I will put my little snap code here. And I think that's all I have for this video. If you guys have another mask that you would love to see on my channel and have me test out, let me know in the comments down below as well. I would happily film any mask you guys recommend. I'm thinking of doing the rubber one from Dr. Jart. I think that would be a fun one. So I'm going to put this video to rest. Thank you so much for watching. I have all of my social media linked down below. And don't forget to come back to my channel every Monday and Thursday for a brand new video. And I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye!